Well, today it's time to get out of the office and get some fresh air. We got a driveway pour going on just a couple blocks away. So let's see what this looks like. The guys should be there now. And hopefully they're getting the form boards up. And a concrete truck is supposed to come shortly after. So let's go see how this is shaken down today. Give my neighbor some credit here. He built this garage in a really short amount of time, and he's doing a really good job on it, and did a matching roof on his house too. Looks really nice. Coming together. See if my alligator friend is here. Actually, I think he is. He's right back in there. He's back in his hole. That's my gator friend. Good buying opportunity. I got to research this. You can tell that the house is abandoned. Yard's been neglected. It's a really nice lot too, because this is Alligator Creek right here, and Alligator Creek goes right alongside the house. Real pretty lot. There's the creek over there, which comes from this this Babcock Ranch Reserve over here. Oh wow, all right. We are rocking. The concrete truck just showed up. Wow, you talk about perfect timing. The form guys are here. The concrete truck just pulled up. Let me see if I can sneak back in here. Get in the lower gear here. Yeah, they got things going over here. I'm just gonna camp out a bit over here and check it out. And these guys are fast. All these form boards weren't here just like 20 minutes ago when I was here. As you can see, the truck is waiting to come in and do his thing. So let's wait till these guys get this thing formed out, and we'll go from there.
Truck is patiently waiting. do their thing.
Well, they're getting that dirt ready, and they're gonna have it ready to pour. Meanwhile, let's take a little look around the outside of the house. I had the final grading done here a little while ago. They already poured the slabs for the air conditioner and for the water equipment. The well is in, but the water's not yet hooked up. You have a nice back lanai here. Gonna leave this wooded scrub. The drain field here, so we're not going to drive exactly over the infiltrators. Well, they got the front walkway almost all the way formed out. Looking good. And these guys are they got their level lines where the surface needs to be, and they're just kind of getting it nice and flat for the concrete. They leave that one board out so that the concrete truck can back in and pour over there. And here's the front walkway going in, and you can see the guys are doing their best to get a nice little curve on there, a good shape to it. And driving in stakes. And these guys are over there leveling things out underneath the strings they've stretched. And truck waiting over there should be over here very shortly to start pouring. Keep that stuff spinning. Man, that process goes fast. Man, that took all of about 3 minutes. It's that. Yeah.
Back in the old days, you were mixing that baby by hand.
Really?
All
Really?
pieces, brace and vent.
Yeah.
This is nice to see this one.
Yep.
This is ideal weather.
Oh, perfect day today. Beautiful sunshine out there. Look at those clouds.
Yeah. It's all technique, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. That paste comes up so quickly. Well, while those guys are pouring the driveway, let's just take a quick look at the inside here. You can tell they had the doors set up here and there's zigzags and they spray painted them. Doors are looking good, the trim. Walls are painted. Counters in, cabinets are in. Fantasy brown on the countertops. Mechalicata on the island. So I gotta pick out some, I'm gonna be picking out appliances shortly. And the ceiling and all the fixtures and fans are going in shortly as well. All right, let's get back to the concrete. Well, there goes the first truck. He's leaving, and the second truck should be here shortly. They're working with the rest of what they got here until more comes. Well, here's cement truck number 2. So finally they'll be able to get this all poured. Okay, so the driveway's poured. They're gonna be flattening it out real soon. Let's just take one quick look again, see if my gator buddy's out before we head home. Well, it looks like he got hungry enough to come out of his hole. So he's probably just waiting for dinner to come rolling by before he jumps on him. See you, gator buddy. Hey guys, before I wrap up this video, I just wanted to take a minute to tell you about the 2 Investor Addicts cruises we've got coming up in the next year. We have in August 12th, we've got the Alaskan cruise on the Quantum of the Seas. We're going to be heading to Seattle, Washington, and we're going to stop at ports like Sitka, Skagway. We're going to see the Dawes Glacier, Juneau, Alaska, Victoria, British Columbia, and returning back to Seattle. That's going to be an awesome cruise. Don't miss that one in Alaska. It's going to be really beautiful. Different change of scenery as to what we have here in Florida for sure. So, bring a light jacket. But that's going to be a great cruise. Don't miss that. August 12th, 2024. Pardon my high-tech screenshots with background audio dubbing. I'm just going to use these printed out copies to show you what we need to see. So February 22nd, 2025, we've got the Investor Addicts cruise. Sorry about that. Oasis of the Seas. And this is going to be leaving out of Fort Lauderdale. It's going to be an amazing week-long cruise. It's going to stop in Curacao, Aruba, Coco Cay, which is the private island for Royal Caribbean in the Bahamas, and then returning back to Fort Lauderdale. Sign up early, guys, so you get the early dinner seating on these. And if you have any more information that you want to get, you can simply visit InvestorAddicts.com. Alaska's coming up next, and then February next year, we've got the Caribbean cruise out of Fort Lauderdale. So sorry about the untechnical flyers I put on the screen here, but it's just easier to shoot a video sometimes. So we're here at Tarpon Lagoon today in Punta Gorda. So have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.